Today I'm going to show you 4 ways how to create letter-by-letter title animation totally for free in Davinci Resolve. So without further ado, let's start. First method is of course my title animation that you can get for free from my Ko-fi page. It's the title animation number 21 if I'm correct. Yeah. So once installed, just drag it to the timeline. By default, it looks like this. But of course, you got plenty of control in the inspector. You can change the text, of course, sizing, tracking, light spacing, and so on. You can switch back to solid type of text. You can have gradient. Let's leave it as default. So a gradient, you can, of course, further customize the gradient behavior and so on. What you can also do is control the gain, glow size, and the blend. So let's say we want something like this. And you can change the color of this pulsing cursor. By default, it's yellowish, but of course you can manipulate that playing with these 3 controls, 3 sliders, red, green, and blue. So if you decrease red and add more blue, there will be more bluish. And you can also get rid of this effect at the beginning because maybe it's not so visible. Yeah. At the beginning, there is some kind of outline. So you can get rid of it if you don't like it by setting outline blend to 0. So that'll be the first way you can create it for free. I also strongly recommend you to check out my action title animations bundle pack. More details in the description. And now let's go to the method number 2. This is also my way to create it. This effect is more like outlined writing effect, but also letter by letter, it's more sophisticated. So this effect is explained in my separate video, so I will not duplicate here the solution. You can get it also for free if you don't want to create it from scratch. It might be not so obvious for beginners. Advanced users probably know it. So first what you need to do is to add a fusion clip. From effects menu, go to effects and add fusion composition to the timeline. Open it in Fusion. And in Fusion page, you need to go to Effects again and Templates, Fusion. And in here you get Style Text. And the first one is Alien. So drag it to the Notes panel. It will create a couple of notes like that. And if you preview the merge node here, so let me close the effects. If you select the merge node and tap 2, you can preview this effect, how it looks. So this is what you get by default. To make it visible in your edit page, you need to drag background node from here, set it as transparent, so decrease alpha to 0, and you need to merge these nodes over the background node. So drag the output of the merge node over the output of the background node like so. Once the merge node is created, connect it with the media out. But there is one thing you need to change because this composition was also created over a background node that is black. So you need to switch it to transparent as well. So select it and again in the inspector set alpha to 0. If you want to change the text, you need to go to the text node. Once you click it in the inspector, you see basically the text plus effect that you know from the edit page. So you can change your title to your title animation, for instance. You can change the color. If you want to play with the glow, you just go to soft glow node and play with it here. But basically you got a nice looking letter by letter animation if you like this style. And the last way to do it is also based on the fusion composition. So let me delete these nodes. Go back to Effects, Fusion, Style Text, and in here you got War Games. So let me drag it here. This is also a bunch of nodes. And in here you also take the merge node like so, and you connect it with your transparent background. If you don't need this background, you basically delete these 2 nodes, Fast Noise and Merge, and just connect the soft glow node to your merge node over the background. So you can see only the text animation and not the background. And as well in the text node, you can change it to whatever you like. And if you go to the edit page, this fusion composition looks like text. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already, and leave a comment. That helps a lot to develop the channel. Cheers and see you in the next one.